Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the October 2021 Oso Paper Co. subscription Mini Friends subscription box. This month's box is titled Good Girl Gone Bad. If you're new here, welcome. If you are an OG, welcome back. If you're interested in seeing what's in this beautiful kit, y'all see it. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we got a sheet of some changes with the subscription. If you'd like more details on this, I've posted a link down below. I would highly suggest if you don't have Oso paper, you go ahead and get Oso paper. But moving right along, the administrative stuff is done. We have this month's postcard. Y'all, look at them. That pink, look at them. Bad as a... So we have our postcard. Next we have our sticker of the month. The ladies riding their bikes, doing what they do. October 2021, y'all. The next item we have is this month's magnet. Y'all, I live for these magnets. Y'all should see my planner card. So cute. They here. They ready. This is this month's magnet. The next item is our monthly sticker book. Y'all, I have been enjoying these sticker books, but I did see on the sheet that's included that this is the last month we're getting a sticker book. So from now on, we'll be getting 10 5x7 sticker sheets instead of the 10-page sticker book. So, ooh, child, let's go through this. Look at Mia. She's here. We got Bess, Miss Egypt, Miss Amaya. Y'all, they are beautiful. Sydney and Riri. Riri, you better go, girl. Then we have our full box stickers, our headers. We've got some half boxes. I love this. We've got our ladies in the squares. We got some more half boxes and some quarter boxes and checklists. We've got our washi strips, some page flags, and some arrows. This sheet is clear, glossy clear stickers. We have notes, note to self, payday bill due, go bold or go home, rebel at heart. Then we have Book Lovers Day, which is November 6th, Veterans Day, November 11th, World Peace Day, November 17th, and Thanksgiving Day on November 25th. And then we have our deco sheet. Y'all, I'm gonna find this jacket because I have to have it. Y'all, look at this jacket. Everything, okay? I'm gonna pass on the collar, but I love the jacket. We got our skirt. I'm gonna behave. Either I will find a way or I will make one. That is me if I ever said it, okay? We have Miss Zoe up here popping her gum. We've got our note flags, our weekend banners, and all of the ladies together for their group photo shot. We have some appointment labels here, our long sticker for the month, and Miss, who is this? Girl, I don't never remember who is who. That is Miss Sydney leading the way, okay? So this is our monthly sticker book. Last one, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Last item up is our mystery item, and apparently it's the last one we're gonna get. We got a notebook. I think it's a notebook. Let me find out for sure. So it says, either I will find a way or I will make one. That seems to be the theme of the month. Oh, it says, must get done today, would like to get done today. If it happens, it happens. At the bottom it says, one day, 1 week, one task at a time. Oh, y'all, we got like a little mini daily planner. This is so cute. And it's gonna fit perfectly in my... I know I got it on my desk. Ooh, let me take my personal business up out of here first. So we got this as a mystery item a few months ago. I believe this was May or June. It says get out of your own way, and I have my other notebook in here. Yeah, so this is gonna fit perfect. Yes, ma'am. So Alright y'all, this is the October 2021 Oso Paper Co. subscription box. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.